SEO, search engine optimization, is actually one of the most important things for an internet marketer to know. Somebody who also runs websites or makes income from their websites, it's very important if you incorporate search engine optimization techniques. Why? Because a lot of times before people take an action, a lot of times before people make a purchase, when they think of something, the first place they go to is the internet. And if you're a business or you have a brand that's offering what they want, it's highly favorable for you to show up in rankings on the first page so that they can actually talk to you about what you have to offer. So the internet, as we know, happens to be the place with the most traffic. When we're trying to make a decision or thinking of something, we go there. And what good SEO actually does is it feeds the web great content. It feeds the web content about you so that when people are searching, there is a match. When there's a potential customer searching for what you have to offer, the web scours and makes a match based off of the information you put on there. So I'll give you a good example. Think of a gas station. A gas station has a whole lot of traffic. So if there's a gas station and I go in there every day with a t-shirt that says I do this, if I talk to the attendant every day and tell the attendant about my business, if I tell the attendant about the new things that are happening in my business, if I tell the attendant about the new services and the new products, if I show up and show the attendant something about work, if I show up with another t-shirt about my work, what starts to happen is the attendant starts to know a whole lot more about what I do based on the fact that I visit the gas station regularly and I'm always updating the gas station attendant with information about my business. So guess what happens? And this is how SEO works. When people then come into the gas station and they ask for a service similar to mine, what do you think the attendant's going to say? The attendant's going to say, oh, go there. That guy does this and he does that and he does this and he does that. Why? Because I had taken the time all through this while when visiting the gas station to tell the gas attendant much about myself, to feed the gas attendant great content about myself that registers with the gas attendant so that if anybody asks any questions, they can answer on my behalf. And that's how SEO works. So it's very important. You can imagine if you actually are visiting that gas station every day and you have an important service and somebody comes and asks the gas attendant about your service and the gas attendant says, no, we don't know of anybody that does that right here. Do you know how much you'd be losing? And so that's why SEO is very important, to be pushed up in the rankings based on what you have to offer really, really helps.